Buy this, not that. Those that just make sense, and some that don't. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about a mechanic staple. This is one video that I'm probably going to get a lot of hate for. Now, I've been a mechanic since 2005, and in 2005 I bought this set of Northern wrenches. My metric set, I think I paid $20 for it in 2005. I've also supplemented with some other brands, some Napa, some John Deere for the larger sizes. But I'm here to tell you that you do not need to spend the extra money when it comes to wrenches. There's no need for Snap-on. There's no need for any of the extra cost because these wrenches have served me well. And that's professionally since 2005. I've never needed another set of wrenches unless I've lost one. If you know what you're doing, you're using the right size, you're using the right end for what you're doing, these cheaper brand ones will serve you well. I know the Icon ones are pretty awesome these days, but do not waste the money. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.